Hey, what's up? Mahesh here. I hope you're doing well. If you're tuned in right now, you're probably exploring the Affiliaxe affiliate network. Curious if it's legit? Wondering about making money by just promoting products through Affiliaxe and seeking insights into how it all works? Well, you are in the right place. So in this video, we'll dive into Affiliaxe, its legitimacy, earning potential, and much more. But before we dive in, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 a month, then I request you to please visit the first link from the description. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Right? You know guys, I have created n number of systems through online. And you can see like I am a proud owner of two different companies called Collabic.com and the other one is Pistachio.com. So if a normal person can create these startups, why can't you do the same? Alright, so if you stick to this video till the end, I'm going to give you a $37 bonus. Alright, so without any delay, let's get started. You know guys, I have reviewed numerous ways to make money online, but today we are focusing on Affiliaxe. Established in 2010 and based out in Israel, Affiliaxe is an substantial affiliate marketing network collaborating with major companies like GoDaddy, Alibaba, Avon and many more, as you can see. They operate on a CPA, that is cost per acquisition model, meaning you earn commissions when your referred customers complete specific actions, from product purchases to app downloads. So becoming an affiliate is straightforward. You can sign up from anywhere globally, gaining access to a wide array of products. You know, Affiliaxe marketplace spans various categories including software, e-commerce, games, mobile applications, and many more. Now let's take a peek at the diverse categories Affiliaxe covers. From software and e-commerce to fitness and wellness, and even pet products, they offer an extensive selection. This versatility enables you to choose products aligning with your interest and target audience. Affiliaxe provides an assortment of affiliate offers ranging from physical products like fitness bracelets to digital products such as applications, and each offers comes with different commission structures and target demographics. For example, the Fit2Go, which is known as fitness bracelet, may have a different commission rate than Do Fasting application. Okay, let's break down with an example. The My Diabetes app, priced at $1.25 per week. So it targets a specific audience and allows various promotion methods, excluding certain strategies. So to participate, you'd register obtaining an affiliate link and earn commissions for each sale made through your link. Affiliates pays out weekly through PayPal, a convenient option. However, payout timing depends on the product's refund policy. While some products allow swift payouts, others may involve waiting until the refund period concludes. You know, the primary challenge with Affiliaxe is that they don't provide extensive guidance on selling their products. To succeed, you either need prior marketing knowledge or a dedicated following on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Matching your product offers to your audience interest is very crucial. Despite these challenges, Affiliaxe versatility shines. Whether you are interested in promoting skincare, beauty or wellness products, they have a vast selection. From makeup pencils to teeth whitening kits, you can find products in various niches. So as I said if you would like to get my own strategy or my own way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can please visit the first link from the description and just enter your details and I will be sending you the free training. But before that, as I said at the end of this video, I would be giving you away my own program which is called the Pistachio method, which is already in the marketplace right now, and I'm selling it for $37, and in future I'm going to increase the price around like $50 to $100. But right now, if you are really interested to learn how the drop shipping would be working, okay, I'm here, like I have created a number of brands in supplements, dietary supplements, so you can also do the same, creating your own supplement brand and start promoting. So the exact model I've given away in this program. So if you are really interested to create your own supplement brand, then you can get the access absolutely for free from second link from the description. Alright, you can please go get this. You are not going to find this kind of programs anywhere all across the internet. So this is the best option for you to earn around $100 to $200 per day. I'm not joking. You can easily earn around $100 to $200 per day just by following the strategies what I've shown in my own program called the Stasio method. Alright, so if you are interested, go and get that from the second link in the description. And at last, I would like to conclude saying Affiliaxe is a robust network with diverse offerings. If you are serious about learning affiliate marketing and going from zero to first $10,000 per month, check my free training as I said you in the first link in the description. And I hope you found this Affiliaxe review helpful. Until next time, take care and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.